Kaizen is a Japanese concept that focuses on continuous improvement through small, incremental changes. The term Kaizen combines two Japanese words, kai meaning change and zen meaning good or better. Unlike approaches that focus on dramatic transformations, Kaizen emphasizes making small, manageable improvements every day. The philosophy centers on continuous process improvement rather than just looking at end results. Kaizen involves everyone in the improvement process, whether in a business setting or personal development. It's about building better habits gradually in a way that feels natural and sustainable. The guiding principles of Kaizen provide a framework for this continuous improvement journey. The beauty of Kaizen lies in the compound effect of small changes over time. Just as compound interest grows your investments exponentially, small daily improvements compound to create significant positive change in your life. Kaizen promotes incremental growth that's more sustainable and less overwhelming than attempting dramatic transformations all at once. Let's look at how Kaizen works in practice with an example of a simple morning routine. Each element of a Kaizen-inspired routine represents improvement in different areas of life. Making your bed improves organization skills and starts your day with an accomplishment. Writing a single goal helps develop focus and clarity for the day. Adding a few push-ups contributes to physical health in a manageable way. The entire routine takes just minutes, but builds powerful habits over time. Let's examine the results of applying Kaizen principles compared to traditional approaches. Before implementing Kaizen, many people feel overwhelmed by large goals that seem impossible to achieve. After adopting Kaizen, the focus shifts to making small, consistent improvements that lead to steady progress over time. To summarize what we've learned about the Kaizen philosophy, small changes compound over time to create significant improvements. The focus should be on daily improvement rather than achieving perfection. Large goals become more manageable when broken down into tiny steps. Lasting change comes from creating sustainable habits through consistency. The principles of Kaizen can be applied to any area of life or business to achieve continuous improvement. To implement your own Kaizen routine effectively, consistency is key. Start by doing these 4 simple actions every morning. First, make your bed immediately upon waking. This creates an instant win and sense of accomplishment to start your day. Second, write down just one goal for the day. This helps focus your mind on what's most important. Third, do only 5 push-ups. This builds strength gradually without creating mental resistance to exercise. Fourth, drink 1 glass of water to begin your daily hydration. This simple habit supports overall health. The power of Kaizen comes from doing these small actions every day without fail. Consistency is what makes tiny actions transform into significant results. After mastering this basic routine for 30 days, you can gradually add one new tiny habit. For example, add 1 minute of meditation or read 1 page of a book. Remember, the Kaizen approach is about progress, not perfection. Tiny steps consistently taken lead to remarkable results over time.